Hello and welcome back to our channel Mahauma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video.
Today I am going to make Keema Matar recipe. For that, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add all spices like some cinnamon sticks and 3 cloves, some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds. Saute well until fragrant.
Add chopped onions, and required amount of salt. Add slit green chilli and some curry leaves. Saute well until the onions turns golden in color. Now the onions are turned into golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute again until the raw smell goes. After that, add chopped tomato and cook until it gets soft. The onion and tomato masala is ready. We will add spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder. Saute well. Followed by add minced keema and mix well. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. You can use mutton masala as well. After mixing well, add half cup water and mix well. Then cook on low flame until the keema turns soft. You can cook in the pan or in the pressure cooker until the keema gets soft. After 20 minutes, you can see the oil separate from the keema. At this stage, add peas. I am using frozen one. You can use fresh one as well. Mix it well and cover the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Instead of peas, you can add boiled potato as well. If you want a dry keema, cook for few more minutes. After 5 minutes, add pepper powder. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Tea keema matar is ready. You can serve with chapati, naan or rice. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.